Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, is Fred at the farm today?
Yes, I think he's looking at the ducks.
Is he wearing blue trousers?
Yes, that's Fred.
That's good. He loves ducks. Where's Paul?
He's sitting under the tree with his friend.
There are two boys under the tree. Which one is Paul?
He's eating a banana.
Oh, yes, I can see him now. I'm looking for John. Can you see him?
What's he wearing today?
A green T-shirt, I think.
Oh, yes. He's giving an apple to the horse.
Look at Jill.
I can't see her. Where is she?
She's sitting with her friend.
Has she got a rabbit?
Yes, and it's very beautiful.
Can you see Sally?
Yes, I can. She's running.
Where? I can't see her.
She's running after that sheep.
Oh, yes, but she can't catch it. Is that Jane sitting on the grass?
With blonde hair.
What's she doing?
She's trying to draw a picture.
Oh, she's drawing very carefully.